Woo! It's your boy Lil Speaker, the AI plug. We are back. We are back. The AI plug is back, here to drop fire for the street. Y'all already know what's going on here at the AI plug. We breaking this artificial intelligence shit down so simple. Even your retarded ass little sister gonna get this shit. Okay, so last time we dropped game on how not to get played by AI. Today, Ep.4, we're gonna be discussing AI, that homie that never forgets. This tech remembering every move you make, good or bad. So let's break this shit down. Ep.4, let's get it. Now AI got that memory like your ride or die homie. He don't forget shit. From what you watching all the way to what you saying, it's keeping it tight. But hold on, stick with me. I'm gonna show you how that works and why you gotta watch out. AI is like that homie that remember every single little thing. Your birthday, your favorite kicks. He remember that crazy story that you told last summer. But AI, it just don't remember. It stores every move you make forever. You ever notice how Netflix keep guessing your shows just right? It remembers every movie you watch, every genre you rock with, and it's locking that in. Same thing with Siri. She listens to how you talk, what you ask, and get smarter every single time. Like tell Siri, play some trap real quick. Now she know your whole vibe. AI's memory is deep. It don't forget nothing, and it uses that to predict your next move. Now let's talk about the good and the bad, cause AI memory, it got two sides. The good part about AI, it make your life smooth as hell. Think about your TikTok's For You page. It know you like watching sneaker videos because it remember what you watch. Or how the hell do Google Maps be knowing your hood better than you do? It enslaved every route that you ever took and stored it. That just AI working for you like a homie that's always got your back. But hold up, AI, he don't forget the bullshit either. You ever search how to flex on a budget one time? Well, AI got that stored forever, and it might even tell advertisers. Or let's say you watched a video that you really didn't care for. Hell, AI don't care. It's keeping that data to use on you later. It's like that homie that's snitching on you, but he ain't mean to. That's why you always gotta know what AI is holding on to. Now I bet y'all wondering, what can I do about it? No, you can't make AI forget, but you can clean up. Clear your history on apps like TikTok or YouTube. Go to the settings, hit clear watch history, and it's like wiping the slate clean. Also, go check and see what them data apps got on you. Most of them got a privacy section where you can see what they know. It's like checking your homie phone to make sure they ain't talking too much. Staying in control, that's how we roll here on AI for the street. And there you have it, Ep.4. Now you know AI, that homie that never forgets. That shit dope but tricky. And if y'all like the vibe of the channel, man, you know what I'm saying? Smash the like button, subscribe, please, and tell your gang, man, pull up. Next week on the AI Plug, we're gonna be discussing how AI trying to be your new best friend. Lil Speaker, the AI Plug. Peace.